Very good.
Mati, say something.
He can't.
He's passing out.
He's passing out.
No,
Thinking of something good.
he's not himself.
He's like,
He's
He's
out of
out
his
of body
body.
experience now.
No, I'm back.
Doesn't take much, huh?
it's like Gandhi. He's
No, I can-
doesn't say
I-
nothing for
I-
12 years, and he says one word.
It's good.
Goes back into quietness.
I want to say something.
You do?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I don't want to be too deep, but
Yeah.
it's important. It's important. I want to share. I just want to share that since TV was invented, media, this medium of the tube, people learn that they can influence the public, and whatever they put on TV, people do. Part of human nature is something called, correct me if I'm wrong in English, conformity, conform to conform. If a group of people jump on one leg, you little by little you see the rest joining and jumping on one leg, and it's considered to be normal, right? Something like that, right? So when these entities will, sell or produce products and services, learn that they can manipulate the public by putting this kind of a show on TV and showing people conforming to something that people follow. Bad people or not so nice people start selling stuff people don't need or actually even heard them. So we are trying to use Moti's Kitchen that in that fashion, but on a reverse mode. We want to show an example of something good so people can conform to it and can copy it and better their lives, not the opposite. So through this camera, we can reach many, many people, and they can see all this good stuff, and they can choose maybe this example to other examples.
We can affect a good change.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I believe that we can change the world we can change the world by reversing the brainwash.
Reverse osmosis.
There you go, reverse osmosis.
We can actually train people how to be good cooks as opposed to bad cooks.
There you go. I believe
A lot of bad cooks in the world.
it's not about food.
It's all starting
or
from
not
the
about-
start, at least for
It's
me.
not about food,
I
it's
know.
about cooking.
We know that.
That's the...
The truth is, right now, after many of these events, I become a great chef. Ask Vardit. She gives me an A+.
She gives you compliments anyways.
No, really.
No, he
not a good person.
actually.
No.
You cannot ask.
He became a...
No, I'm serious.
Too close.
He
You have
improved.
to
I'm
ask
serious.
other people.
No, she's...
I was the first one to try his. Remember the fish we made 2 times ago, two
Yes.
events ago?
Uh-huh.
He made those fish, and my God, he nailed it. He forgot the garlic, but he nailed it.
So
He
if I
was
can do
so
it,
good.
you can do it.
Oh my.
She can do it.
Don't know about that.
You need to remove the thumb
Yeah.
brace
Yeah, it's
because
a
you
finger protector.
need to wash dishes.
Today, I have an excuse right here. I washed all the dishes last time.
Oh, she washed all the dishes last time. Do you have a picture of that? Can we get a witness?
Oh my God, Monty, did I
planned
not
it
wash it
ahead.
with you?
Yes, but now you had a
Now I
plan.
can't.
You said you can.
Oh yes, he can. He's got gloves.
No, I can't move it.
One hand.
Oh yes, you
one hand.
can.
You know, you're gonna do the soap.
You're gonna mute with the tongue.
Can't do washing.
Well, I heard people can wash dishes with their feet now. It's a new thing.
God forbid there are people like that. They
Good
lost
luck
their
with that.
leg.
Yeah.
They can use their feet
Yeah,
for
yeah.
everything. So that's about it.
It's very true.
To
So
make
now
a
I can sell
difference.
my clock because I was so influenced by that show. I went out and bought one of those big clocks. And I thought everybody should have one of those. You know, the Flavor Flav clock. You know, it's very influential.
That's how you show up to the hustle and the thing.
Yeah.
You go, yo, I'm here. Where's the?
Exactly.
It's like the rabbit in what was that?
The rabbit?
The rabbinical
The
rapper.
big rabbit in that animated movie. No,
Shrek.
Alice בארץ הפלאות.
Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland.
Love Alice in
Right.
Wonderland.
Yeah, he's gonna be a paramedic with that big, you know.
Yeah, with the clock.
There you go.
Randy, I want to say something. I believe
Didn't what you say?
Yeah, he just.
You got the table.
No, listen. He told me we have 4 minutes. So
Oh, okay.
I think I believe we all have.
3 minutes.
Makor,
What do you believe? What do you believe? I want to know what he believes.
I want to know what he believes, yeah. The suspense is killing me.
What do
I
you
gotta go to the bathroom. Hurry up.
The next show, the next multi-show. Tune in.
What do you believe? What do you believe?
I believe.
Tune in next week to see what
Tune
we
in
believe.
with what?
Whatever you say, that's funnier. She got the laugh attack. She's having an out-of-body experience right now.
You want CPR?
Are you drinking Kool-Aid there? What is that?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's flat
Okay.
orange juice.
Flat orange juice.
Flat orange drink. I believe
You believe? Oh, here we go.
that we all humans have a God-given talent. And let me throw something in there.
You gotta keep that on the show. That's funny.
Something heavy.
That's real life. That's cool. I
It's
like
hilarious.
We're just gonna find out what it is,
That we believe.
and we'll do it.
So you'll tell us next show? Or what is it? Oh, yeah.
We'll do it next show.
All right.
Oh man, that's gonna make people, I guess, want to tune in and see what he believes.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
What do you mean? They'll be sitting in front of their TV
You're like, what the hell
set
does he
for a week, not eating. You know, it's not healthy.
I rest my case.
She better get us some medical attention.
Yeah, we do. We need some here.
I believe.
I'm turning to be not like Ratatouille, Motatouille.
Good.
Guy's got good imagination, doesn't he?
Absolutely. And other things as well.
Especially when he's got an audience, huh?
That's a good laugh. That's one of those good, solid.
Oh my God.
They say
the
don't
tears.
get high on your supply. You had too much of your own food. Look what happened to you. You should not do that
And what
again.
happens to me when I eat out?